Hello beauties, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video I always say we're going to be doing something new. In fact, we're not going to do something new, we're going to do something that we don't usually do. Okay, once in a blue moon we do them something there. So I'll be speeding through majority of this video because I've done a video explaining. I can say this, I explain down to the T as best as I possibly can. I will link it in the icons if you guys are interested in creating that nail shape, because that's what we're going for today. We'll be doing the Russian nail shape of badass nails. Badass, it's badass, I like it, but it's not it's a show nail. It's not one of those everyday nails. It's one of them that you ain't show. Yeah, one of them there. So I broke it down in the other video, so as I said before, I will link it in the icons if you guys truly want to learn it. Anyways, so the next step we're gonna do is to go in with our nude peach. I mean, this is a part of the process also, so I don't know why it's not sped up. It needs to be sped up. There we go, sped up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below if you have not already done so. Also follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Pure Beauty Service. The other thing that I want to point out is that my application game has been A1 since half recent. Practice is key, guys. You never get it overnight, but if you practice, I guarantee in 6 months, 3 months, you will have it down pat. That's my advice for you guys today. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to shape the nails. So some persons might be like, oh my gosh, how do you shape this nail? No, it's very easy. You go based on how the nail is shaped. Same like with the other nails, you work with how the nail is shaped. So with the Russian French, the two sides come down, so you want to file in that direction. The point of the nail, it has an angle, so you want to point you want to file it that direction. The cuticle area is the same. You just go around the cuticle area just to ensure that you have a blended nail, a proper blended nail. One of the defaults is that I should have gone to get it more of a dimensional nail. I should have placed it very how can I say this? I don't know. Place it like a puzzle. So you place one side, so you can get the formation of the dimension of the nail. So any way that you shape the nail, you apply the nail, that's how you're going to buff it, shape it, file, whatever. Yeah. So the next step I'm going to do is to go in with my French. You already know that I like my French nails. I really do. And this here was a win for me because I've never sat down and achieved a very straight smile line like this, especially when drawing. So I'm very proud of myself right here. Very proud moment right here. Look at that. Wow. Let's speed up the rest of the video because I'll be doing the same thing again, and I was really proud proud of each of the nails. Each five nails I was proud of. So yeah, so this nail part, it needs to be sped up because this is boring. Like, I'm drawing on my French nails right now. That's all I'm doing, drawing it on. Like, people refuse to let me live. Like, why when I think that I am alone or the neighbors start doing some ish? What's wrong with them? So yeah, so before I go in with the curing, I will then go ahead and just clean up a little bit because I was so on point with my smile line. Yeah, I'm so extra. So the next step is to create my abstract nails, my abstract swirl nails. I really do like that type of nails though. Abstract is my thing. I like difference but not different. I keep on explaining things like that, very complicated way. But yeah, I like nails that are just not noticeable, but when you do see them, it's a statement. It's a statement piece. That's what I like about doing nails. Very discreet in how we carry, but when we do see it, it is popping. So yeah, so I was just looking on a bunch of pictures, getting my inspo from each of the pictures and just adding them to the nail. So not every nail looks different, almost. Not quite, but almost. Like, some had a more thicker base at the tip like this one. Some had a smaller swirl lines. yeah, I had to add little, you know, different characteristics to each nails, because that's what I like about it at the end of the day. And you know, funny enough, my videos back then were all focused on each nail, focused on different designs, but one of the problem was is that it never tied in. So each of the nails for this, something that I like, and it eventually it does tie in with each other, so it doesn't look off. I liked it back then. I used to do it, it was off. No, I get it, I get it, Joker. Yeah, so I'm going in with some transfer gel. That sounds like a lot, but yeah, going with some transfer gel. And I will do it in the same manner how I will do the swirls, and I'll go ahead and cure it. I was showing you guys how I did. I mean, I don't know why I slowed it down, because you guys are very quick. You guys can understand what I'm doing in the video. I created the swirl, I cure it for 30 seconds. I think it's 30 seconds. I always struggle with this. It's either 30 or 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with that beautiful snakeskin foil, and I'm just going to tap and pull away, tap and pull away, to create a little bit more diamond and character to my nails. You already know what I'm talking about. You know that I like those stuff. So yeah, you already know. So we're just gonna repeat this on all the rest of the nails. You already know we're going to be doing in different, you know, rhythm, designs, swirls. We're gonna do it differently. So not each nail doesn't have the same design as the others. So yeah, so I'm just following the rhythm of each nail and just going in with the transfer gel, adding it to where I think it needs to go to kind of fill out the nail somewhat, cure it for 60 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, and then I will go in with my snake skin and just tap it all around the nail to get that full effect. And then we're not done yet. So after I do this, I'm just going to go in with some gold. This was DIY actually. I used some gold eyeshadow, and with some gel top coat, and I'll mix this and then I'll apply to get my gold, because I don't have any gold gel polish. So that's how I created it. So I'll just create it and just go alongside each of the swirls. It can be sometimes beside the snake skin, or it can be just beside the smile line. It can be alongside the swirls on the nail. So it all depends on where I want it, because as I explained before, I don't want each nail to look the same, but they will all tie in at the end of the day. So yeah, so after I'm done with that, you already know we're going to cure for 30 seconds. This don't need to be curing for 60 seconds at all, so we just cure for 30 seconds. So the next step we're going to take is to go in with our gel top coat. Why I do this is because the matte top coat that I do have, it bleeds the nails, so I need to ensure that it doesn't bleed the nail, because I don't want it to have that smudge look. So I'll go in with the gel top coat first, and then I will go in with my matte top coat afterwards. I don't know, I think I have another one and it does the exact same thing. I don't know if it's the polish, I don't know what it is, but yeah, it bleeds it. So I have to go in with my gel top coat first. So after we're done with that, we're going to cure for 60 seconds, after which we oil our cuticles. You already know the protocols, you already know the process. After you're done curing, go ahead and oil your cuticle, massage it, and you're done. These are the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I had great fun doing this actually. Yeah, I did enjoy it, because this is trust issues right here. From the above, it looks like a regular, maybe stiletto almond nail, but when you to the side, it's a whole different nail shape. I like it. So if you enjoyed today's video, subscribe, like, comment down below if you wish, and follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. And I'll see you guys in the next video.